Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your love and for your support. So if you are new to the channel, you're welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please, I would appreciate for you to hit on the subscribe button. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cut this top with a yoke. So you can see it's like a circle top with a yoke. That's what we're going to learn how to do today. So these are the materials that I'm going to be making use of. So I have my fabric. This fabric is like a chiffon, and then I have my lace that I'll use for the yoke part. So it's a very simple tutorial. So I have about 4 yards of fabric here, but I'm not going to use up to 4 yards. I'll use about 2 yards because you can see it's not a very long top. So this is my basic bodice. This is like a half bodice. So that's what I'll use for the top. So the first thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to transfer this on my lace, and then I'll cut out the part. So it depends on how many inches that I want, where I want my yoke to reach. So that is what I'll use to cut it. So if you want to register for my online classes, you can see my number scrolling through the screen. Just send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll give you the details of the classes we have presently available. Okay guys, so let's just get started. Please hit on the like button of this video. I would have Okay, so we're going to cut out our yoke now. So the yoke is going to be on top of my chest line. So for the chest line, I'm going to be using 8 inches for my chest line. So I'll just come down, add a little bit of allowance to it while I'm doing that. So I'll have allowance to stitch it up and down. So I just added 1 inch to it. Okay, so I'll take it that way, and then I'm going to cut this off now. So this is what I'm going to use. So I'll place it on my lace, and then I'll cut out. So I have about half yard of lace here. So the lace is a stretchy lace. So when you want to do this, you would want to use a lace that is stretching. So that actually makes it easier. So for this dress, I'm actually not going to I will not add any zip to it. So I'm going to show you how to go about the back. So the back, I'm going to slit the back open. So but before then, let's add a neckline to this. So for the neckline, I'm going to use 3.5 inches, and then the depth of the neckline that I'm going to use, I'll make it 3 inches. So it's going to be like 3.5 by 3. Okay, and then I'm going to cut this off. So I've cut that off right now. So I'm going to take the back piece. So this is my back piece. So I'll just give it a tiny slit here. So the next thing, I'm going to open this up so you see the neckline, how it looks like. So what I'm going to do to the neckline, I'm going to pipe the neckline. So before I pipe the neckline, so I'll just try and straighten it a bit, and then we'll cut out the down part of our dress. So this you can actually do 2 ways. If you want it to be very full, you can decide to fold your fabric like an A-line and then cut it, or like a flay. Or if you don't want it to be too full, you can just decide to cut out the amount of fabric you want and then just plait it on it. So for this, I'm going to check what I have. I have about 22 inches here. So that's what I'm going to use now. So I'll fold the fabric. Okay, so I've cut out the amount of fabric that I want. So this fabric that I have here, I have about 28 inches. That's for the length. The full length is 28 inches, and then the wideness is 70. That's one part of it. This is one piece. I folded it into four. So this one piece like this is 70 inches. That's 35. Okay. So what I'm trying to say, I have four pieces here that is folded into four, but two like this is for the front. I did not cut it open. This is for the front, and then this is for the back. So the full one for the length of the front, that's the wideness, is about 70 inches. Okay, so you can see how it is folded. So this is my yoke. So this is what I'm going to use. It's a very simple process. So I'm just going to fold my yoke, and then I'll place it here like this, so you can see how much excess I have. And I'm going to pleat. So this part now, I want to make it, I want to reduce it a little bit for it to look like an A line. So the next thing I'm going to do now, so I'm going to measure. So you can see, like I said, I have about 35 inches. So this 35 inches, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to reduce that my 35 inches from this point. Okay, I'll use 28. I'll just reduce it. So literally what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to create like an A-line pattern like this. So you can see what I'm doing. So this will make the down part of my dress to be very full. Okay. So you can see what we have now. You see that our dress, the down part has that A-line kind of pattern. So after pleating, so I'm just going to open this up. I'll keep this on the side, okay, and then show you how this is now going to stay, so you can see how full it is. So when we open this up like this, we open our yoke up like this. So we're going to pleat now like this. So you just pleat, 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 so you can see how long and full it is. So you can see automatically, you can see it gives you that flayness at the down already. So what I just explained now, take this back to my machine, and then I'll go and stitch it with just gathering it together and pleating it, and then do the same thing on our back piece. Okay. Okay, so you can see how I'm just using my hands to just split it along as I'm going. I'll just keep making it tiny, tiny like that until I'm done. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to join them together on the shoulder. That's the front shoulder and the back shoulder. So I'll join them together and then join the side. Okay, so I'll do that and then bring it back and show you how it looks like. Okay, guys, so at the end of the day, you can see how the dress looks like. It actually came out fine. So for the armhole, if you notice, I've not piped the armhole and the neckline, so I might add a sleeve to it. And then for the neckline, I'm just going to use a bias to pipe the neckline, so you can see it came out really fine. So other than that, every other thing, if you want to make this dress into a maxi dress, you can follow the same process and then just elongate the down part. So thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please hit on the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I would appreciate for you to do that. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.